Hey vlog! Can you see me?
We're on our way
Can you see me
to the beach. First beach day. Yeah.
Oh. Hey vlog! Oh wait. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are doing a little beach vlogiana. We are driving through Calabasas, California right now.
We're in Calabasas right now?
We are in Calabasas right
Oh my
now.
god, the mountains look so insane.
Bojalina.
I'm just scared.
Wait.
I like it. It's just so late. It's so late. Wait, do you get the enlightenment?
No,
always get the enlightenment.
I get the orange exuberance. I get the orange exuberance one.
Okay, I'll do it here. I'm just scared I'm not gonna be able to sleep.
It's LA.
It's LA. You have to help me with this because I literally like don't know how to get the vibe.
I'll get shots of you.
A million times, so I don't know. But I think this is actually like my favorite. So, California blonde ale.
We saw this one at Six Snack, and I tried it.
I think I'm gonna eat this because I've had this before.
Okay.
Drink of choice, change up. No longer getting your.
Oh wait.
No more.
No, you.
Alright. Successful trip.
So successful.
We dropped way too much money.
So much money.
On the silliest items, but like also so worth. I'm so excited.
I'm about to chomp on orange chicken at the fucking beach.
Yep, and I got free chips too, so well, were they free?
Well,
Were they free? Basically, in my head.
If you think about it.
And we got beer, change of plans. We weren't gonna drink alcohol, but like now we're gonna drink alcohol. Why not?
Life is short. Life is short.
Drink alcohol.
Okay.
So it was literally down. What are you talking about? It was actually change of plans. Holy shit, Anthony. Bestie. He's so cute. I love him so much. Trash can. Little baby footprints. Setting up camp. We got the sandwiches. We got the chips. The orange chicken.
I want to take like a glam shot.
What is that?
Like it's kind of like titting up.
Titting up.
But I think like
We're having a photo shoot. Woo! Oh my god, perfect! Wait, the little pigeon. Happy golden hour. the day is ending. We've eaten lots of yummy food.
I ate a lot of orange chicken. I actually ate my entire thing of orange chicken. Threw it away, finished it.
Finished the sandwich. There was a whole ass apple on my sandwich.
Why was there an apple in the
Why
sandwich?
was there
I don't
an
quite know.
apple?
But
Why?
sure. If you think about it, green apple with pesto is crazy.
I don't even think there was not supposed to be pesto on it, but it actually made it so much better.
I think it worked out. And you know what? Sometimes you get a sandwich with pesto, but it's just about how you eat the
handle
sandwich.
it.
Yeah, it's just about how you react to the pesto in your sandwich. And sometimes life gives you pesto in your sandwich, but it's like a little treat.
Exactly.
Good luck, Charlie. Oh, what if you like zoom into the moon? Wait. A heart. Wait, make a heart. Wait, where is it?
How?
Make a heart.
I don't
Make
know
a heart. Yes, there you go. Wait, find it. Wait.
Find it. Ah!
What was that?
I don't know, I keep hearing something stirring about. And you like don't work out, right?
No.
No, you. What a day.